So now I have the rest of the pulley back on, and no clicking noise. And if I pull this, it does let the arm come down to go into spin. No noise there. So I'll let go. No noise, fully disengaged. So we'll see if the machine is happy about that. Put the rest of everything back together, put the belt back on, the guard back on, and put the tub back in, which I really didn't need to take out, but I originally thought I was going to need to pull this whole clutch assembly / transmission out of the washer, but I didn't need to. So we'll see how it goes.